Welcome to Charleston, South Carolina, the Holy City. Famous for cobblestone streets, horse-drawn carriages, and centuries-old mansions, Charleston is where Southern charm meets modern vibes. And in 2025, the city is buzzing with new festivals, foodie spots, and hidden gems you don't want miss. Let's explore the best places to visit and things to do in Charleston this year. Charleston, founded back in 1670, is one of the most charming cities in the U.S. You'll find history at every corner, yet it's also alive with music, festivals, and incredible food. In 2025, highlights include the Charleston Wine plus Food Festival in March and the Holiday Festival of Lights in winter. Love gardens? Don't miss Magnolia Plantation or Middleton Place, two breathtaking estates with historic homes, wildlife, and America's oldest landscaped gardens. Take a ferry out to Fort Sumter, where the first shots of the Civil War were fired. It's a must for history lovers. Stroll down Rainbow Row, 13 colorful, historic homes that make for the perfect Instagram shot and a taste of Charleston's architecture. Explore the historic Charleston City Market, where local artisans sell sweetgrass baskets and handmade crafts. It's been around since the 1800s. Relax at Waterfront Park, home of the iconic Pineapple Fountain and breezy harbor views. Need sand and surf? Head to Folly Beach for sunsets and surfing, or Sullivan's Island for quiet shores and history. Take a walking tour, or even a ghost tour to uncover Charleston's haunted past, or go classic with a horse-drawn carriage ride. Shop King Street, lined with upscale boutiques, antiques, and art galleries, perfect for treasure hunting. Charleston's food scene is legendary. Try she crab soup, shrimp and grits, or an oyster roast. Local favorites include Peninsula Grill and Circa 1886. And in 2025, new foodie spots are popping up all over town. When the sun sets, Charleston comes alive. Check out Voodoo Tiki Bar, Recovery Room Tavern, or the buzzing nightlife along King Street. Hop on a sailing charter or eco tour for dolphin spotting and harbor views. And don't miss the International African American Museum, which opened recently to worldwide praise. Plan around big events, like the Charleston Wine plus Food Festival in March, or the Moja Arts Festival in September, celebrating African American and Caribbean culture. The best times to visit Charleston are spring, March, May, and fall, September, November, when the weather is mild and festivals are in full swing. Summers can get hot and humid, while winter offers fewer crowds and travel deals. Getting around is easy. Walk, bike, or use the free downtown trolleys. Charleston International Airport makes flying in a breeze. And don't forget, tip about 15% at restaurants, and dress business casual if you're dining upscale. Charleston isn't just a destination, it's an experience. From its historic plantations and cobblestone streets to vibrant nightlife and incredible food, this city captures your heart and stays with you long after you leave. So if you're planning a trip in 2025, Charleston deserves a top spot on your list. If you enjoyed this Charleston travel guide, hit like, subscribe, and share your favorite Charleston spot in the comments. Happy travels!